Yeah? Where? Who was that? Where? Blow him a kiss. Good job. Mwah. So we miss Daddy? Where's Daddy? Hi. You were giving Daddy a hug? Aww. Blow him a kiss. Mwah. Good job. Say I miss you, Dad. Wave. Say hi, Dad. Yes. Say hi. Wave. Wave. Good job. You're so sweet, Bella. You eating cantaloupe? Yes. Put it in your mouth. Good. Oh. Oh, get it. Say good. Chew it. Give me some to Daddy. No, not the dog. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your Bella. Never, not funny. I told you about throwing your food. No thanks. I don't want what's in your mouth. Okay, say bye, Dad. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Wave. You gotta wave right here. You can wave. Ooh. Bella. Wave. Bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Show me your teeth. Oh, hold on. Bella, no. You don't throw what's in your mouth. You eat that. Where's Dad? Where's Daddy's picture? You all done? Wipe your hands. You want more? Good job. Wipe your table. Now, what do you eat? What are you eating? Breadcrumbs? Breadcrumbs? Maggie. Say hi, Daddy. Say I love you. Say you. I miss you. What? Where's the cat? Where's the cat? No, that's the dog. Where's the cat? Cat, yeah. Under the table? Spray it. Say it, don't spray it. That's the saying. You Miggy. You miss Daddy, Max? Yeah, see those tears, Dad? Hi, Dad. Hi, Daddy. We miss you. Hey, knock it off. Knock it off. Alright, bye. Say bye, Dad. Yeah? Say bye. Wave. Little kiss? Yeah. Okay, good job.